Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this compliance workload cyber platform, which is CyberUpgrade. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about CyberUpgrade is an AI-powered compliance platform designed to automate risk management, audit, and security workflow. It helps business handle framework like iOS 27001 SOC 2 with ease, claiming to cut off 90% of annual work. The platform also includes real-time monitoring and a Cisco support, making it ideal for teams that need to stay compliant without wasting hours on paperwork. However, CyberUpgrade's pricing isn't public and the integrations with somewhat limited compared to large tools. Some users also note a learning curve with its interface, so it's still a strong choice for business looking to simplify compliance and reduce manual effort. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.